This is the Sony ZV-E1 stabilization of around 250 shutter speed. Rabia Kham. So yeah, this is 250 shutter speed. I'm going to stabilize in post. There is no stabilization. Due to that, I'm just going to stabilize in post. So I'm recording at minimum 250 shutter speed. I don't want to go below there because there will be a jerkiness, and I'm using a built-in microphone. So I have minus around. So the audio level will be somewhere like I think so it will be minus 15 or something like that. I do not remember it. So can you stabilize the footage? That is the question. How good is the catalyst browse, especially when you're rendering night? I'm in the shutter priority, shutter 50 ISO f1.8, and I think the ISO is going to go around somewhere 6400. So can you stabilize in post? Again, I'm trying to stabilize best in the post. I'm just trying to walk. I hope I'm looking good. I'm not looking like an idiot or maniac on the road. Let me just switch around. Okay. I think so. We have to cross the road. Rabia, come fast. Rabia! Like my wife is still there. My wife is super slow. Rabia, what are you doing? So there's Jollibee. Why not let's do a zoom to see how good is the zoom. Let me just do a zoom with the catalyst browse. So right now we are optical, clear, and digital zoom. This is the digital zoom. And I'm using the built-in microphone 4K 30 frames per second. I'll be also showing the rendering time on my MacBook. How good is the rolling shutter? I'm at 250 shutter speed. I'm not going to go below because there will be a jerkiness. There's a tram, as you can see. And how good is the panning? I'm just waiting. Ravi, just be careful. There's a pawn shop, and let's start walking. So I think we are at an ISO 6400, which is quite high for a 1-inch sensor. But again, it's night time. f1.8. I'm shutter 250. Normally I love to use at a shutter 60, but again I'm breaking the rule. Saving Private Ryan was shoot in like 175 for a shutter. I do not exactly remember. Let's see what is this. Okay, there's Jollibee. Let me zoom in to show you. I love Jollibee, one of the best fast food in the world. So let's see where we are going right now. There is some U select, and then I think it's much better jump back to me. So I hope you like the video. I try my best to demonstrate the capability of the catalyst browse. I'm recording at 250 over shutter speed. Yeah, 250 over shutter speed. I'm trying my best just to demonstrate to you. I hope it's stabilizing good. One thing I just do not like our ZV-1 is that it's fully articulated screen. I much prefer the screen upper screen down because I'm always looking to the right. Now let's jump to the wow, that was quite fast. So now let's jump to the catalyst browse. It's very loud to be honest with you, it hurts my ear.